In this quick video, you will learn how to generate amazing images in the style of Lego, The Simpsons and Pixar using ChatGPT. You may have seen loads of people posting new profile pictures of themselves in the style of cartoon characters. Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it yourself in just a few minutes. First, let's start with Lego. For each of these images, I've started with a lovely picture of myself. I then went to ChatGPT 4.0, added my image and then wrote the following prompt. Create image, convert this photo into a Lego character. Keep the outfit style the same as the image. The Lego figure should be full-bodied. Make them happy. Include a background setting of a creative office space full of post-its and whiteboards. After I'd pressed enter, I had to wait a little bit of time for the image to process, but eventually it created this, which is this incredible version of me as a Lego figure. I loved in particular all the details in the background, the post-its, the whiteboards. As a product manager, I felt in my element. This and all the prompts I'm using in today's video can be found in the description below. Next up, The Simpsons. Again, I started by uploading the same image and then wrote, create image, convert the same photo into a Simpsons style character. The character is an energetic technology expert. Put them in an appropriate setting in the Simpson universe. I'm a big Simpsons fan and I absolutely love this one. You can see his happy grin and him sitting amongst a bunch of computers with the tech expert wording in the background. This is so cool. Finally, I wanted to try with Pixar. For this final prompt, I also uploaded my image and then said create image, use the attached image as a reference, create a whimsical Pixar-style character with large expressive eyes, soft lighting and vibrant colours in an imaginative setting like a magical or futuristic city. I put a little bit more into the prompt on this one and it's pretty amazing what it came up with actually. The eyes are huge, but it definitely looks like a Pixar character and it's got quite the vibe of me. Like the hair, for instance, is pretty similar to what my hair actually looks like. So again, really impressive with what you can do with just a short prompt. I hope you found those prompts and examples useful, as I think they're a great way to experiment with these new AI tools, especially if you're a beginner trying to work out what things like ChatGPT can do. So if you give it a go, why don't you let me know in the comments below, what did you try? Maybe you made a Simpsons character or something completely different. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're interested in learning about what AI tools can help you with day to day, then why not think about subscribing to the channel too? You'll see a bunch more videos just like this one. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, why not join for the journey? For now, that's all from me today. So I'm going to go off and watch something on the telly. Maybe I could watch The Simpsons.